guys, how's it going? My name's Mariah Manatza, and I'm the author of Heal Thyself, Embracing Our Natural Diet for Optimal Health, and Vital Fuel, Eat Right for Your Species Type. Now, what I think the most tragic thing with all humanity is that we've forgotten what species we are. And nothing's changed in terms of our physiology since the beginning of time. And I'm fully convinced and know deep within that our natural species appropriate diet is fruits, leafy greens, minimal nuts and seeds, and maybe some raw veggies. But aside from that, anything else burdens the body to various degrees. And it's so tragic that humans have forgotten what species they are, and instead they're eating wrong for their blood type, and they're going around, taking enervating blood tests to find out their blood type to try and figure out what diet to eat, which makes zero sense. All species on Earth, they have a species-appropriate diet, and they don't go around testing their blood to find out what to eat. No, we've just lost the knowledge. We've lost the ability to know what to eat because we've been bombarded with misinformation for so long. I mean, I remember those Got Milk commercials when I was younger, and you'd see a famous good-looking celebrity that you'd want to be like, and so you'd see them with the milk mustache, and then you'd think milk was cool to drink, and then you drink it, and then you get all these pains and mucus and sick, but you didn't realize it was from the milk. Anyways, eat right for your species type, people. I will keep spreading this message. I've been on a fruit-based diet almost 12 years in April, and I finally healed a long list of health issues. Nothing is more rewarding than knowing how to fuel and feed yourself till you're comfortably satisfied, and being able to live I'm almost 50 and I get to live health symptom free. It's freaking amazing because I went through so many symptoms in my 20s and 30s, and life was hard. It was so hard, but it's not hard anymore, or at least it's so much easier feeling good no matter what life throws at you. And you can deal with stress a lot better. Trust me, whatever stress comes your way, you're much able to heal, to deal with it so much better because you're in good health. So things don't rattle and shake you as much. Things can't get to you as much. Anyway, so if you want to pick up a copy of one of my books, or both, or Vital Fuel's on audiobook now, that's pretty cool. I do have to admit, though, at the beginning, I was a little nervous, I think, and I was trying to do it so perfect that I kind of sounded monotone and a little, I don't know, maybe boring, and maybe I'm being more hard on myself. But I think by chapter 2 or so, I don't know, it starts sounding much better. So please hang in there. It's a really good book. It's jam-packed full of knowledge. I've been doing this, like I said, almost 12 years, and I've made a lot of mistakes along the way to, you got to do what's wrong to be able to discover what's right. And I'm just here to say that if you are struggling, just maybe join our natural diet support group. The next one begins in November, and they begin at the first of each month, every month. And that would be, links will be in my bio or in the comments below. And I've got to go, but ciao everyone. I hope everyone is feeling amazing. It's amazing to feel amazing, and it's amazing to live without pain and symptoms, and you can do it too. You can do it. You just have to apply yourself and eat right for your species type. There's no getting around it. There's no quick fixes. There's nothing but just returning to our natural diet for optimal health.